Hello. Today is the last day of March. So it's so windy right now here in Qatar. The clinic's still closed. I arrived here earlier than the people who's going to open the clinic. So later on, I will give you again my update for COVID-19. So I need some sunlight while I have a natural blower of my hair. So windy. Wow. Summer is coming. Hello. Sorry for what I told earlier. I thought March is only until 30. So it's 31st. So tomorrow is the last day of March. So let's go for our update. Here in Qatar, we have now 634 cases. Yesterday, it was confirmed 44 new cases. So with a total of 634 already. Only 3 recovered since yesterday. So some of the new cases of infection are related to travelers who have returned to state of Qatar, while others are due to contact with diagnosed with COVID-19 patients. So the total number recovered here in Qatar is now 48. And the total number tested in COVID-19 by Ministry of Public Health has now reached 18,877. That is here in Qatar. So they arrested again 16 for violating home quarantine. They are all Qatari nationals. So far, we cannot get yet for GCC updates, so I'm going to show you the world COVID-19 update. I'm running late with my update. I don't know why they are coming at this hour. We just finished 2 patient root canal. I will continue my update. And so Gulf massive migrant workforce fares virus limbo. So many affected now, mostly in the construction, because they stopped working, no work, no pay. So they are worried with their financial, and especially those who are included in the lockdown area, in the industrial area. They cannot go out to buy their foods. They just wait for the government supply. Foreign workers in oil-rich Gulf region, predominantly from Bangladesh, India, Nepal, and Pakistan, account for around 10% of all migrants worldwide. Many who spoke to AFP say they now fear for their health and job security. Unlike in Saudi, Saudis receive paid leave. Some laborers in Saudi Arabia, home to 10 million expat workers, complained that they were required by bosses to work, while Saudis were permitted paid quarantine leave. So this is the problem, especially with the private sector. The workers will be the one to suffer. And despite the kingdom's compensation to the private sector, the owners use it to cover their losses due to closure without caring for the workers. So sad. The government give them money for the workers, but they just keep it for their own for their company. They don't care about their workers. It's so sad. In Kuwait, Sambrain, an Egyptian beauty salon manager, said she would not be paid because of the government's closure of non-essential businesses. World Cup rolls on. Gas-rich Qatar's record on migrant labor has been under the spotlight since it won the right to host the 2022 World Cup, with 7 new football stadiums as well as towering skyscrapers to be built by an army of foreign workers. So 90% of Qatar's 2.75 million people are expats. Yeah, more expats here than local, which has responded with initiatives to enhance worker welfare, but the lockdown of densely populated industrial area has drawn scrutiny. They identified a ground zero and it was very easy for them to shut it down quickly, said one Western diplomat. So would they have done it if it had been somewhere in the Pearl? I don't know. Because it's a rich area. So sometimes there's unfair. Was essential to save lives. They also say they have flooded the area with medical resources and pledged to pay missed salaries. At least 20 Nepalese migrant laborers were deported by Qatar for ignoring containment rules, Nepalese officials told AFP, even though Kathmandu has sought to block returnees. So, all in all, the impact is disastrous to the people who is working abroad here. So, we start with Worldometers update. COVID-19 coronavirus pandemic, March 30. Cases, we have now 737,204. Deaths, now 34,952. Recovered, 156,263. Active cases, 545,982. So let's go to by country. Total cases. Top 1, USA, still 142,783. And followed by Italy, 97,000, Spain, 85,000, China, 81, Germany, 62, Iran, 41, France, 40, UK, 19, Switzerland, 15,000, Belgium, 11,000, Netherlands, 11,000, South Korea, 9,000, Turkey, Austria, Portugal, Canada, so on and so forth. Then new cases, Spain is number 1, followed by Iran, Belgium, Netherlands, Switzerland, Portugal, Austria, USA, down to Russia, Denmark, Malaysia, Mexico, Romania, Thailand, Indonesia, Philippines, Finland, Norway, Israel, Australia. And next, new deaths, total deaths. Italy still 10,000 plus, followed by Spain now, China, that's 3,304, Iran, France, USA, UK, Netherlands, Germany, Belgium, and then we'll check the new deaths. Spain, 537 plus, Iran, 117, Netherlands, Belgium, Switzerland, Austria, Portugal. So I'm not going So that's all for the Worldometers update for coronavirus 19. So be careful everyone. Keep in mind proper hygiene. Washing your hands at least 20 seconds. And wear mask if you're going out, because it's not really safe right now. We don't know who's the person carrying with the virus, and also distance with another person at least 6 feet away. And sleep well, sleep early. At least you have 8 hours of sleep, because it helps our immune system, to strengthen our immune system. And also eat nutritious foods, drinks, most especially hot drinks, coffee, tea, or warm water. It's good to your throat. It's moisturize your throat and also kills the virus. So that's all for my update. Sorry for delayed, because emergency. So we have 2 patients throat canal, so we need to take care of them first before anything else. So that's all. Thank you. Be safe and happy.